5 minutes in, got the first fish on. Taking some drag. Got a good one. He's got it all the way in his mouth, man. I hope he doesn't spit it. Follow rods! Look at it! It's a big crowd. Oh yeah. Come on, don't get off me. Oh my God, it's so hard to get him like this. Wow, it's a big one. Good morning, friends. Sam with Come On Reds Fishing. And today we're back here in Arroyo City. We got pretty sunny skies today, a little bit of hazy conditions, but we should have some good wind for a drift. So let's hurry up and get out there, get the lines in the water, and try to get some fish in the boat. Come on, Reds. Oh man, my spoon kind of rusted. On. Feels like it. About 5 minutes in, got the first fish on. He's taking some drag. Got a good one. Oh, he's shaking the head a lot. It's a good fish, man. And we're gonna go back. Damn! Oh, first fish got off. Right here, man. There's a nice red. He ate it right in front of me, about 10 feet from the boat. Wow, he's fired up. I saw him eat, man. Oh, come on, don't spit it, don't spit it, don't spit it, don't spit it. Don't spit it, buddy. He's thrashing. Follow rods! Oh man, he's about to get off. He's about to get off to get him. Yes! Woo! That was a close one. Look at that hook set. Oh, he wasn't going. Not as big as the one that got off, but about 23, 22, 23. Look at that hook set. Perfect shot. Come on, Reds. 20, 23 and a half. Good shot. I don't know what he is. Camera's on. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. He was wrapped around in grass. Oh man. Follow rods. Coming right at you. Oh crap. I didn't think he was that big. I hadn't seen him. He was covered in grass. On the third cast. Taking a lot. Coming at you. he is. Another nice fish. Will he make it? 21.
21?
Yeah. That's two, man. Got him. I think it's a trout, man. I think it's a trout. Get it, get it in the net, get the net, get the net. It's a big trout. Holy crap. Hell yeah. Oh. Nice. 17. Oh yeah. Watch that drag, don't put it too tight. All right. Hell yeah. Follow rods. Come on, don't get off, baby. Coming in. Wow, he's taking drag under the boat. Oh, he got off. Oh man, he's gonna come out. He's coming. Oh my God, it's so hard to get him like this. Wow, it's a big one. Yes! Hell yeah, dude. Wow, hell yeah, Chito! Look at that sucker! Look at that 26. That's a great haul all day, man. Come on, Reds. Oh, you had a bite. Oh, it's a big trout. Hold on. I'm coming. Whoa. Nice trout, man. Are these another 16, 17?
Yeah. Active.
See? Wow. Keeper for sure. Yeah, another 17. All right. Oh yeah, they are. That was another great drift out there. Thanks for joining us another week. Come on, Reds. Again, I caught a limit, but the one just didn't want to hang on. My dad came through with the big one. And we got some pretty nice trouts in there as well. Thanks for joining us one more time. Take care and come on, Reds.